Rasta, yeah,
just abantwana on the spot.
Injalini engathende ngifuna ukuba nawe kodwa wena wangirejecta. Akubhaleli love letter kodwa wena wangiziba. Angifuni uqamba amanga leyo nto mina yangihetha. Ngaze ngasitshela ukuthi empilweni ngiyifeyila. Awuthi ngikutshele levari mina bengikufuna blind. Bengeke ngikwazi ukuthi ngikuyeke ngikubona. Ngaze ngakubhalela iletter ngoba ngigcwala. Ngisitshela ukuthi wena vele uzongiphendula. Kwakungekho lula ukuthi ngikuyekelele ngoba bekuwena kuphela icherry ebengiyifuna. Ngangisitshela ukuthi vele wena uzovuma, awukanti wena vele awusoze wavuma. Bengifuna ukuba nawe kodwa wena wangirejecta. Ngakubhalela love letter kodwa wena wangiziba. Angifuni uqamba amanga leyo nto mina yangihetha. Ngaze ngasitshela ukuthi empilweni ngiyifeyila. Njengoba ngirapha ngale Shandes namanje kusabuhlungu kodwa ungawaza ngilibambile iqhubu. Leyo nto vele kumina seyadlula sengaxola ngoba ngazi ukuthi ngeke ngisakuthola. Angoba ngeke ngisakwazi ukuba nama-anger issues. Nami mele ngikhule ngithole enye icherry kodwa ngiyakufisela ukuthi uthole umjida lona ozokuphatha grand ongeke vele afane nami. Bengifuna ukuba nawe kodwa wena wangirejecta. Ngakubhalela love letter kodwa wena wangiziba. Angifuni uqamba amanga leyo nto mina yangihetha. Ngaze ngasitshela ukuthi empilweni ngiyifeyila. Bengifuna ukuba nawe kodwa wena wangirejecta. Ngakubhalela love letter kodwa wena wangiziba. Angifuni uqamba amanga leyo nto mina yangihetha. Ngaze ngasitshela ukuthi empilweni ngiyifeyila. Danko KMJ. Awe Danko KMJ siyabonga ngale beat. Guys, yake ngirejecta ngempela icherry. Yazi kubuhlungu kanjani? Bhalela love letter, utshela uzokuphendula. Hawu ingakuphenduli. Wena ube isithipha bekuhleka ulovo ubona uthi ayike indaba yami la. But anyway guys, into enginganitshela yona bolova nje. Uma rejectiwe, try to go on and don't doubt yourself. God will get you another girl. So ningasijudge nina bafethu, yabo. There's no one that is bad. Sonke sibahle ngendlela yethu. Ukuthi phela yabona wabona abanyana banali types zabona wabo. Bane type yabo amantombazane, so awukwazi ke nawe ukuthi ubhede, yabo. Mengayona type yakho, akuyona type yakho. What you must do, accept, qhubeke nempilo. Yabona ngiwujust labantwana nje akusho ukuthi maningi amachela khona. To be honest anginacherry, but I go on with life. Ngumrapper, ngiraphela nina bafethu. And guys, ngiyancenga, please guys, let me speak English. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. I need your support. You know, it's very hard to record music, you know, but I do it with love. I do it with passion. All what I need from you guys is your love and your support. Guys, it wasn't easy to start this. It was very hard, okay? So I'm not saying anything bad, but what I'm asking you to do is please subscribe to my channel. Anginforced, but nje ngiyasicelela kubantu abadala abangithandayo. As long as you love my music, as long as you love just abantwana nje, please subscribe and nilalele le ngoma niphinde mawuthi niyathanda. So lokho senipostela umsebenzi khona omunye ozayo futhi ngo-Thursday. Okwamanje nje ngicela ni-enjoy lo msebenzi and please nijabule nje and nginifisela konke emakhaya. Bolova ningarejectwa ke nani nifane nami because akumnandi ukurejectwa yabo. Icherry bengakuthandi, carry on with your life. Don't kill yourself guys, please. I beg you. We still need more people in our world. Guys, awukho kuningi ngisangakusho. I love you and yeah, I wish you good things. Good luck.